Welcome to App Redesigns with 300 Mind. Here is where we pick apart applications and make them better. As you must have guessed from the intro, today we're covering the Walmart app. So without further ado, let's get to it. We're going to focus on just two pages because honestly, that's more bad UI UX than we can deal with. The product detail page and the product listing page. And if you ask us, both are as messy as a swamp. Here's the product listing page for stick vacuums, and we can already begin to see some major issues. Part of the product image is covered by an add button the size of a planet. This violates the design principle of protecting the focal point of an image. Our suggestion would be to stop squeezing the product image to Ant-Man size and consider moving the add button to the bottom or even to the right. It no longer covers the image, will be closer to the price, and will also let us make the image bigger. The add button itself is also a bit strange. Clicking on it makes it expand into a number bar. But now what does the user do? It took us a while to realize this, but it already added one vacuum cleaner to our cart. Now, how exactly does Walmart expect us to see a single pixel number on an even smaller icon? Does a user need a microscope to work with the Walmart app? And that's not all. This number is meant to be a quick way to add multiples of the same product. Now this might work for groceries, but it falls apart here. What's worse is that to get out of this mode, you have to tap outside the number bar. But the problem is that everything outside is a hot zone, so clicking outside takes you to another page. Mind-blowing UX, Walmart slow clap. If Walmart really insists on doing this, then they should consider making the number bar start with 0 and animating the bright yellow badge on the shopping cart whenever it gets updated. If something big, blinking and yellow doesn't catch a user's attention, nothing will. Now let's move on to the product page. We don't usually buy vacuum cleaners by the pound, so we're not sure why we should care about a price per pound breakdown. But that is a good question. How much does this vacuum cleaner actually weigh? There aren't any specs or highlights, and to find the actual weight, the user would have to go to the manufacturer's site, find the same product there, and then scroll down to the details with the hopes of finding an answer, which is still a mystery. This violates the design principle of minimizing the user's cognitive load. According to us, details could be limited to just the common specs people use for comparison shopping. Walmart should consider adding important specifications on the main product page so that the user doesn't have to leave their site. Not to say that many won't leave it anyway thanks to this absolutely amazing UI UX. So now, let's get to the Walmart redesign. Here's how the redesign works. As you can see, we've added a notification feature to the top right of the application. How could you miss this, Walmart? This new addition provides users with a clear indication of any important updates or alerts related to their shopping experience. This design choice enhances the overall user experience by improving the app's usability and providing users with timely and relevant information. The category-based approach in the Walmart app simplifies shopping by organizing products into clear categories. This reduces confusion, makes navigation easier, and doesn't show users shoes when they're looking for pet food. We've incorporated a flash pick of the day feature above the fold. By placing this feature in a prominent location, users can easily and quickly access the featured product. This design choice provides an exciting and dynamic element to the shopping experience. Now you can shop and have fun at the same time. In the app, Walmart has its search function at the bottom, so the user has to scroll all the way down to even begin searching for the stuff he needs. Again, a slow clap for Walmart. You guys are brilliant. I mean, it makes so much sense to have your users sift through 800 items that are of no relevance to him before he can even type in what he wants. To address the removal of the search function from the bottom bar, we have added a dedicated search bar at the top of the app. This design choice makes it easier for users to access the search function, and it also aligns with common mobile app design patterns. In addition, we have moved the wishlist function to the top right of the app, where it is more accessible and visible. This change allows users to quickly access their saved items without having to navigate to a separate tab. And now for the second page. This page is mostly as is, but we have added an edit option. We have also made an important addition to the address input. A Use My Current Location option, which is located just below the field. This new feature provides a more convenient and efficient way for users to input their location information, eliminating the need for manual entry. This reduces the time and effort required to input address information, making the overall process faster, more streamlined, and less tedious. After all, users come to the app to shop and not to wrestle with bad UI. In the third page, we have added a new feature to the products: customer reviews. By providing access to reviews on each product, users can make more informed purchase decisions and feel more confident in their choices. Basically, if a product is trash, you will get to know. This new feature also enhances the overall user experience by providing a sense of community and transparency. So if they get stuck with a useless product, at least you won't. As you can see, all these little changes have made the application far more effective, efficient, and intuitive for the user. This is how small UI changes can solve big problems. But wait, for stellar redesigns, you need the right partner. Introducing 300Mind, your one-stop shop for all your UI UX design needs. So that's all, folks. There are many redesigns coming your way, so stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. 300Mind wishes you happy designing. See you in the next one.